Hello and Assalamu alaikum to all. My name is Hina Asim and I make makeup related videos. Today I made this pinkish purple cut crease look. Hope you all gonna like it. So let's start. First of all, I'm gonna take this brown shade from Zoeva palette on a fluffy brush and apply it on the crease.
भागते इन नजारों में है ये कैसे पल ठहरा हुआ
Then apply this peach color from the same palette and apply it next to the dark brown.
ना ही सोचा ना ही समझा बस करने को ये
Now going back to the dark brown and making it more intense.
कब
Now taking a clean brush and blend both the colors well.
नजर कह जाए होले वो
Now I'm going to cut the crease with a flat brush, starting from inner corner of the eye to the outer corner. Now taking again the dark brown color on this small angled brush and making a loop from the center of the crease towards the outer corner of the eye. Now I'm gonna take this dark pink color and apply it next to the dark brown. Now taking this dark purple color and apply it next to the pink. This is the romantic color palette. It's a very good and pigmented palette. I've bought it from an Instagram page. I'll mention the link in the description. Okay. I'm taking this metallic pink color from this palette and apply it next to the purple. Next on, I'm taking this blue metallic color from the same palette and apply next to the pink. Now taking this white shimmery color from the same palette and apply it on the blue to lower the intensity of the blue. Now applying dark brown, purple and then pink on the lower lash line. Now applying this white pencil in the waterline. Okay, now I'm applying the mascara by Naked. I have bought these lashes from an Instagram page and seriously girls, these are so good, lightweight and easy to use lashes. This is the final look, and if you like the video, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel and do press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of my new videos. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
मुझे बहकाना